Hello friends! In this tutorial, we will see how to generate scannable barcodes in Excel. Before going there, I just want to remind you, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now, let's jump in. First, you need to open the VBA window. To do so, right-click on the Worksheet tab and select View Code or press Alt plus F11. You can also open it from the Developer tab. If you do not have the Developer tab, right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. Now, under the main tabs, enable the Developer checkbox and click OK. Then select Visual Basic from the Developer tab and insert a new module. Now open the link for the VBA script from the video description, copy the code and paste it in here. Then, save it as a macro-enabled workbook and close the window. After that, insert the custom barcode function, followed by the desired text to generate the barcode from, and press Enter. Now, download the code 128 barcode font from the link in the video description or from any other trusted sources, install it and restart Excel. Then apply the installed barcode font to the formula cell and increase the font size preferably to 24 to 26. Now pause this video and scan the barcode on the screen to see if it is working properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it and found it helpful. And to remind you again, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.